Hey everyone, welcome back to our Linux and open source update series. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest Linux updates. Today we're diving into the latest buzz in the Linux world, the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS beta, also known as the Noble Numbat. And before I begin, don't miss out on our latest Linux course available on Udemy. You will find the link to the course in the video description. Now let's jump into the video. Let's kick things off with the heart and soul of any Linux distribution, the Linux kernel. Ubuntu 24.04 introduces the cutting-edge Linux kernel 6.8. From Intel GPU Xe driver to improved networking buffers, this will bring the latest advancements in hardware and CPU technology. The Noble Numbat edition also integrates the new features and fixes from the recent GNOME 46 version. This includes faster search capabilities in Nautilus, Settings app with new panels and options, GNOME Shell with collapsible notifications, and remote login via RDP, among other features. Now let's talk about installation. The Ubuntu desktop installer has received a significant overhaul with new graphics and functionality. One standout feature is the accessibility section, where users can enable settings to accommodate their personal needs and preferences, making it user-friendly for everyone. Moreover, this Ubuntu release brings back the ZFS guided installation that ensures flexibility for managing storage requirements. And TPM-backed full disk encryption is introduced as an experimental feature. TPM is used to securely handle the decryption key and adds extra security layers. This is particularly beneficial for enterprise settings. For network management, Ubuntu Noble Numbat includes Netplan 1.0 version, offering improved networking settings and better integration with Network Manager. This update brings several enhancements for complex networking setups, enhanced integration with Network Manager, new CLI subcommands, and better documentation. Moving on, Canonical introduces a dedicated app center focused on Ubuntu Snap packages, which replaces the previous GNOME software. The app center exclusively showcases apps from Ubuntu Snap Store. Currently, Flatpak apps are not visible, nor is there any option to display them. Plus, don't miss out on the new firmware updater, which is included with a new graphical firmware update tool. Next comes the updated applications in Ubuntu 24.04. Firefox 124 is included as a native Wayland application, while LibreOffice is updated to LibreOffice 24.2.7 version, and Thunderbird 115 is available as a snap package. Canonical prioritizes safety and security above all else, and that's why the beta release of Ubuntu was delayed due to an exit security incident. But now, Ubuntu 24.04 Noble Numbat comes packed with enhanced security features. Package security hardening features are introduced that neutralize many potential vulnerabilities. GCC compiler and DPKG improvements are made to boost buffer overflow detection and mitigation. Secure boot and disk encryption are also included to make sure your data remains safe and secure. So that was a sneak peek into Ubuntu 24.04 Noble Numbat version. If you want to take it for a spin, you can download the beta version from the official website. Just a heads up, it's a pre-release version. We can expect the final release on April 25, 2024. Besides, all official Ubuntu flavors from Kubuntu, Lubuntu, Xubuntu to Ubuntu Mate are also available in the beta version. With that, we come to an end to this video. What do you think about the features of this latest Ubuntu release? Let us know in the comments below. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Linux updates and tutorials.